Lily, look at Marty the zebra. He is so cool. He wants to go to the wild.
The wild is dangerous, Mike.
But the zoo is boring. Look at the lion, Alex. He wants to run. He doesn't want to stay in a cage.
Hi, kids. What are you watching?
Mom!
Can we go to the wild?
No, Mike, not today. But we can go to the zoo.
The zoo? Like in Madagascar? Yes, we can see real lions and real zebras. Lily, did you hear that? Let's go!
Is everyone ready?
Yes, Dad!
I have the water bottles, the snacks, and Henry's toys. I am ready. I have my binoculars. I want to see the lions and the zebras like a real explorer.
Great! Everyone in the car. The lions are waiting for us.
Look at the sign! Welcome to the city zoo.
Where are the zebras? Where's Marty?
Wait, Mike. Stay together.
Wow, the giraffe is so tall.
It is beautiful. Look at its neck.
But look, it is just standing there. It is not running. There he is! Alex! The lion. He is very big.
He is very big. Look at his teeth.
He is sleeping. He looks a little bit bored.
Look, he's waking up.
He is.
He wants to be free, Dad. I can see it in his eyes.
It is a long walk. I need my coffee.
No! Oh, my shirt! It's hot! Ugh.
I am so sorry. It was an accident.
It's okay, but I must go to the bathroom and wash this.
Lily, look. The keys.
Mike, what are you doing?
I am going to save them, Lily. Mike, no! But the animals, they want to go to the wild, just like in the movie. Mike, that is a bad idea! Don't worry, Marty, I am here. You are free, Alex! Go to the wild! Gloria, faster! Melman, don't be afraid. Go! Mike, what did you do? I helped them, Lily. Look how happy they are.
What a day for a trot! Can't stop me now!
Ah, this is the life.
Animals everywhere! What a day! Hold it right there! We're coming for you!
Easy now, big guy. Just one more step. There we go. We are back at the city zoo. The adventure is over. The animals are safe, and they are back in their homes. But people are still talking. Let's hear from the witnesses. Ma'am, were you in the park today? Yes, it was terrible. I saw the lion. He was so big and so close. I was so scared. I thought, oh no, the lion is hungry. He wants to eat us for lunch.
It was a very, very long day.
And what about you? This is a school trip, right? Yes, it's the best school trip ever. So, how was the field trip today?
Usually, the zoo is boring. Today was amazing.
It was so cool. We have 10 videos on TikTok.
This is a disgrace. There is no order in this city. I want to complain. I will write a letter to the mayor. I will call the police. People are walking. Lions are walking. It's too much. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much.
I don't understand. I really don't understand. I went to wash my shirt. I was away for 5 minutes, only 5 minutes. When I came back, the gates were open. The animals were gone. It's a mystery. This is a disaster. We will find the person who did this. We will fire the guilty people.
Stop! Please, don't fire the guard. It's not his fault. He didn't do it. I did it. I took the keys from the grass.
You? But you are just a child.
I wanted to be a hero. The animals were so sad in their cages. I wanted to help them. I wanted them to be happy and free in the wild. I am very sorry.
Ladies and gentlemen, the mystery is solved. A 7-year-old boy is the reason for this adventure.
Well, family, I have some news. We are banned from the city zoo. Forever.
It's okay, David. We have other parks. At least Henry had a good time. He really liked the zebras.
Mike, you are in big trouble. You can't just open gates. Mike, what did you do? But why? The animals are happy. They are in the wild. No, Mike, they are back at the zoo now. The animal control team caught them 2 hours later. Ugh. So they are in the cages again?
Wait! Everyone, look at the news. The mayor is speaking. Today was a very strange day. We learned an important lesson. Because of today's events, we are changing our zoo. We are making the enclosures bigger and better for all our animals. They need more space and more trees.
See, I told you! I am the hero!
Honey, come here. You have a very kind heart. I know you wanted to help your friends.
I did, Mom.
And that is good. But Mike, you cannot do things like that. It is dangerous for the animals and it is illegal. You must follow the rules. Do you understand?
Yes, Mom. I understand. I am sorry. I won't do it again.
But can we watch Madagascar 2 now?
No!
Hey guys! Please subscribe to our channel, turn on the bell, and like this video. Thank you!